Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a really cool car. It's a 1975 Buick LaSabre convertible. It's finished in silver with a red interior. Pretty original. We've got the build sheet right here from the owner. Tell us a little bit about it.
Well, it's a 350 turbo 375, which is the
Later.
turbo.
Yeah.
It's a cruising machine.
Sure.
It's got a power top, a brand new top, brand new American Classic Coca tires.
The wide whites.
Runs beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
It's got, and it's loaded. And it's really
everything.
yeah.
Cruise,
It's got
windows.
yeah. It's got power windows, cruise, tilt, AM/FM stereo, power top, air conditioning. We forgot about that.
Oh yeah.
It's got air conditioning. It's a cruising machine. It really is. It's great.
Let's check that build sheet out.
The build sheet, I found it's actually slipped out of the door panel one day.
Get out of here.
I swear to God, when I was driving, I saw a little piece of paper sticking out of the door panel. And
You
pulled it out.
pulled it
I said,
and that was it?
Whoa, this is it.
Wow.
This is actually a copy of it. The original's in the file.
Okay, cool. Nice, clean, straight body. Pile everyone in here and go to the beach, right?
Yeah, it really is. And it is original. It's never been restored. It does have a repaint. It's probably about 20 years old.
Okay. Original low miles too, right?
Yeah, it's I think it's, I don't remember, 50?
58, I think.
58,000, yeah. Don't get driven too much. That's okay.
Always garage kept.
The only change from original, it's got dual exhaust now instead of the original single exhaust.
That's why
So
it
it's a little
sounds
bit
so
throaty,
nice. Yeah.
you know, it's got a little bit more pep. And that was done by
Oh, okay. Ooh, sorry about the wind, guys.
Oh, the other thing, the sport mirrors both sides, and then the remote is also not power. What do you call it? It's got a
Remote mirror.
yeah,
Oh,
it's got a remote sport mirror.
Nice chrome, stainless, presentable. I like the color combination too. It's pretty
I think
cool.
the silver with the red is
Really
That's
cool.
the only reason why I bought the car originally.
Yeah. I like the wheels too. I wouldn't change them.
No, I'll
Leave it alone.
That's the way it is. This is, I'll tell you right now, it's close to the highway to go to the beach here.
Yeah.
And during the, weekends at night, because you can't go to the beach during the day, it's packed. We all pile in here, 6 of us will get in here and drive to the beach.
Yeah.
And it is like driving over the bridge is like a dream.
It really is nice. We'll take you guys for a ride in it too. Parade boot. It's pretty cool.
The hard parade boot. The other thing is it's a hard parade boot, so that's for the beauty queens to sit up there.
Yeah. So you'd be sitting up there, right?
Standing.
Really gorgeous interior.
And we got cup holders too.
Yeah. It's like a custom little.
Yeah,
Cool,
we have.
bro. You gotta have cup holders.
Yeah, we had those made too.
Oh, really? You had that custom made?
No, well, actually, I contracted with the guy to make them,
Yep.
and they fit. We could fit all bench seat cars, bucket seat cars with no console.
So that's almost like a prototype.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
Cool.
They're about $120, so it's worth it. You know?
Sure. Loaded tilt wheel cruise, which is pretty cool. Air conditioning, intermittent wipers. 54,141 miles. There's your trip set with speed alert.
There you go.
That's pretty
All
cool.
sorts of cool things.
AM/FM radio, cigarette lighter. Love the clock. That's cool, man. Little
Yeah, we got the
flip.
clock.
That's how they did it back in the day. Neat. Really nice dash.
Power windows. The other thing, which is really weird,
Yeah.
no power seat. With all these options. Right?
Yeah, that's fine. Pass me the keys. Let me start it up. Man, this thing's a cruiser. It's like it was always garage kept, right?
Yeah. I think so. The interior is great.
It is beautiful.
I mean, really, see the dash right there. Still got it on?
Yeah. Oh, there's a little spot here on the dash.
Blem I could find it in the interior.
Oh yeah. I didn't even notice that at first. That's fine. Let's check out under the hood. Runs really nice.
Power disc brake.
Power steering.
Power steering, obviously.
Run it all day, huh? Runs nice and cool.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I'll turn it on now. Come back tomorrow. We'll start dancing it. It'll still be running.
Sure. Man, this is like when they used to build them.
Yeah. No, this thing's great.
Oh, cool.
This is like zero maintenance on this thing. You know, you don't have to. Whole winter it's been sitting in there. I got in there. I need to put a battery charger on it, but I put a new battery last year. I want to start it right up. Now, the only thing you have to remember is that it's a carburetor and you got to pump it a few times.
Yeah, sure.
You know?
I didn't even touch the gas; it fired right up with me. Pretty cool. Alright, let's take it around the block. Go. It's got a new hood insulation up there. Custom made. Pretty cool. It's got a nice sound with the dual exhaust too.
It does sound good. Got Buick mats too.
Ah, how cool. Man, those are plush.
Today is perfect.
It really is nice. Sound to it.
The only thing you have to worry about is putting gas in it.
That's true.
It's empty too, so let's hope we won't go too far.
Oh, that's the speed warning, that yellow.
The yellow is the speed warning.
Oh, okay. That's great. I need one of those. Nice. Man, I can cruise all day in this thing.
1975 stereo.
So comfortable, God.
It really is. It rides nice.
I like the old school back seat.
And it's got the center that folds down. Yeah. Good there.
Cool. Shipping.